Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, now let's we start our moral science, standard 6, with the chapter 4. Let's we open it. Manners, a character certificate. Chapter 4, name of our chapter 4 is Manners, a character certificate. Manners, we are learning from very earlier childhood. Manners, how to sit, how to talk to elders, how to behave in the school, at home, at play, everywhere. We are seeing the manners. So now let's we see and learn details about the manners. Manners make a man. With the manners, man can build. Good manners serve as a character certificate. A person is liked or disliked according to his manners. So, good manners serve as a character certificate. A person is liked or disliked according to his manners. A person with good manners is impress us. On the other hand, a person with bad manners leave a very bad impression on us. That is basically natural. That a person with good manners get impressed by all, while on the other hand, a person with a bad manners leave a bad impression on others. Usually, people do not like to talk, associate with the person having bad manners. Therefore, it is very important to have good manners. People do not like to talk, to come in contact with the person having a bad manner. So therefore it is very important that we should have a good manners. A person who has no manner is dubbed as uncivilized or uncultured. A person who is well mannered is thought to be cultured. The person without manners, those who have bad manners, they are dubbed as, they are known as uncivilized or uncultured. They don't have any culture like that. And a person who is a well mannered person is thought to be a cultured person. It is pleasure talking to such person. We like to talk with the mannerful person. Good manners is a quality of the heart and is expressed in the way you conduct your life. So please make a bracket over here. It can be asked as a blanks or any other objective forms. Good manners is a quality of heart. It is our quality of heart. So such way we can express in the way how we live our life, how we conduct our life. Good manners must be cultivated from early childhood. One can learn this from various sources, especially our home, school, books. At home, our parents, brothers, and sisters speak and behave in a particular way. We can learn good manners from them. So, at home, here we can learn we can get good manners from many sources, that like at our homes, school, and from the books we get. So we take an example. At home, how we get good manners? We get from our brothers, parents, sisters, how they speak and behave. According to that, we can learn from them. So we can learn good manners from them. Similarly, in school, teachers help us to learn many good habits. Whatever good manners we pick up from any sources must be practiced. Whatever good point we learn from any source, either it from home, school, or from anywhere, that should be practiced in our life. It should become a part and parcel of ourselves so that we behave accordingly wherever we are. If we learn good manners from all these sources, we should practice it so it become a part and parcel of our life. So automatically it become our way of life, conduct of life. In the beginning, we have to make special effort to practice good manners. Sometime in the beginning, we can forget or we feel we are not going with these good manners easily and that. But later on, with the special efforts, by trying and trying that all good manners in our life, we can practice it. We can make a part of our life. Later on, we will automatically behave well. Now, next page. You can not only judge an individual's character by his behavior but also tell what kind of family he or she hails from, what kind of school he or she attends, and what kind of friends he or she has. So we cannot judge directly any individual means any single person, any single character by their behavior, but we can tell them what kind of family he or she hails from which background of family he or she is coming from, or from what kind of school he or she has attended, same way what kind of friends they have. So from all these point we can judge a individual character, what kind of manners they are possessing. There are certain codes of behavior for every aspects in life. How to sit, how to eat, how to speak to elders, how to treat children, how to travel in a group, how to walk on the road. Everywhere you reveal yourself by your conduct. So in each and every behavior, each and every aspects, in each and every mode of life, we can see in eating, sitting, speaking with the elders, treating with the children, you talk with the small children, or while you travel in a group with your friends, family members, or while on the walking on the road, everywhere we show our way of conduct, we show our moral values, we show our manners. We should learn the rules of good behavior. The lessons begin at home. Whatever good manners we learn, first we learn from our childhood, that is the one place, that is our home. As soon as we wake up in the morning, we should arrange our beds properly. Yeah, after waking up, we should not rush out from the room and just shout and like that, but we after waking up in the morning we should remember the god, and then we should get out from the beds, and then we properly arrange our beds, and then we should brush our teeth, wash and change our clothes before going for breakfast. These all are basic things that we should follow it, and we get learned from our home, from our family members. We should greet our members of the family with good morning, or by doing Jai Shri Krishna or any Namaste. According to our culture, we should greet our family members, we should greet our elders. While waiting for food, sit quietly at the table without banging the glasses or plates. Some children do like that. Mom, give me fast. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. I'm getting late. They are shout such a suddenly. It get disturbed to all. So we should not do like that. We should not bang the plates or glasses. It is bad to grab everything and to talk with the food in our mouth. So whenever we eat, that time grabbing inside fast swallowing, that should not be done. Chew the food slowly, and while keeping the food in mouth, no, that time also don't talk. Just you concentrate in the taking food. After eating, we should rinse our mouth well. Then after finishing our food, we should rinse our mouth hand properly. We must respect our elders. Never forget to use the word please and thank you. Whenever you talk to people, offer them a seat. If necessary, stand up while talking to them. Don't argue with them. So we must respect our elders, and most of time we should use the basic magic rule, the magic words like please and thank you. Whenever we get any talk with the people, that time we don't forget to use such word please and thank you. And sometime we travel in any bus or train, we should offer the seat if any person are aged person, or it is necessary stand up while if we are in the family member or some any guest come, we should stand up while talking to them. And especially main thing, don't argue. We should not argue with any people. So avoid doing arguments and that all. It is important that we stand in a queue to get into a bus. For getting inside in the bus, we should stand in the queue. Once inside, it is not good to rush for a seat, pushing others aside. By pushing others and for getting the seat, we should not do such all things. Turn the page. Or not write on the seats or spoil it. On the public property, if we travel in the ST bus or any train or where, we should not spoil the seats, or we should not write anything on this. Many people have habit, they write their first letter or name or some funny comments they will write, but that is a very uncultured behavior that should not be followed. Shouting out to one's friend, you calling your friends, come here, I have your seat, that should not be done. Or talking loudly must be avoided so as not to disturb others. While at that time we gave disturbance to others, so that should not be done. So, dear children, can we stop here? We stop here and we continue this our explanation video in the next week. So, for that, thank you.